Greetings to all. We are Group 9, and now we are here to talk about our topic, which is this analysis of real-world scenarios. By using strategic principles, we will discover the strategic choices that have influenced the achievements and difficulties in the ever-changing field of computer technology. As we examine numerous real-world scenarios, come along as we uncover the strategic strands that run through this dynamic sector. Our motivated group members are here with me, and they will add their expertise to our discussion. We have Jan- we have agenda overview. This is our general overview for this topic's discussion. We have understanding strategic concept, importance of real-world scenarios, case study 1, industry disruption, case study 2, market entry strategy, case study 3, crisis management, key learnings and recommendation and conclusion.
Now let's start on understanding strategic concept. First is what is strategy? A strategy is refers to a well thought out of plan or approach designed to achieve specific goal or objectives. It involves in analyzing the current situation, setting clear goals, outlining steps to reach those goals, and making decisions on how resources will be allocated and action executed to accomplish the desired outcome. What is the importance of strategy? First is guidance. Strategy provides direction and guidance, helping to align efforts towards a common purpose. It clarifies what needs to be achieved and the path to get there. Number two is resource allocation. It helps in efficient allocation to resources, time, money, and manpower by prioritizing tasks and initiatives maximizing their utilization. Number three is decision making. Strategy analysis in decision making by providing a framework and criteria for evaluating options. It helps in making informed choices that align with long-term objectives. Number four is competitive advantage. A well-crafted strategy can provide a competitive edge by leveraging strengths and addressing weaknesses and identifying opportunities in the market or environment. Number five is adaptation and flexibility. It allows for adaptation and flexibility in response to change or unforeseen circumstances. A good strategy is not rigid but allows for adjustment as needed. Number six is focus and efficiency. Strategy helps in focusing efforts on what truly matters, avoiding distraction, and ensuring that activities are aligned with overarching goals, thereby enhancing efficiency. Number seven is evaluation and improvement. It provides a basis for evaluating progress towards goal, allowing for the identification of areas that need improvement or adjustments. In essence, strategy acts as a roadmap guide an individual, organization, or entity towards success by setting a clear path, optimizing resources, and providing a framework for decision making and adaptation in an ever evolving environment. Next is importance of real world scenarios. Why analyze real world scenarios? Uh, uh, Analyzing real world scenarios serves several crucial purposes across various fields and disciplines. First is problem solving. Real-world scenarios provide opportunities to apply theoretical knowledge to practical situation, analysis these scenarios to help in identifying problems, understanding their complexity, and devising effective solutions. Number two is decision making. By studying real-world situation, individuals and organizations can make informed decisions. Analysis allows for a deeper understanding of the variables involved, enabling better informed and more effective decision making. Number three is learning and education. Real-world scenarios offer practical learning experiences, enhancing education and professional development. They provide context and relevance to theoretical concept, aiding. Now, what is the relevance of applying strategy concept to a real life situations? The relevance of applying strategy concept to real life situation lies in their ability to provide structured frameworks guiding decision making, optimize resources, foster adaptability, and ultimately contribute to achieving long-term success and competitive advantage in various contexts, be it in business, personal development, or any other field. The impact of strategic decision making on organization. Strategic decision making is fundamental to an organization's success. It shapes its direction, competitive position, resource utilization, innovation, risk management, financial financial performance, and overall sustainability in a constantly evolving business landscape. Next is case one. Uh, Case one, industry disruption. Uh, Overview of a specific industry, which is technology. The technology industry encompasses a vast array of companies and innovation focused on creating, developing, and implementing technological solution across various sectors. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that drives progress and innovation in society. In essence, the technology industry is a driving force behind societal progress, continuously innovating, evolving, and impact virtually every aspect of modern life. Its influence extends far beyond the creation of products, shaping economics, culture, and global interactions. Explanation of real-world scenarios where industry is disruption occurred. One prominent real-world example of industry disruption is the transformation brought about by ride-hailing companies like Uber and Lyft in the transportation industry. Before the emergence of these companies, the traditional taxi industry operated within established regulation and structures in many cities worldwide. Hailing a taxi often involved flagging down a cab on the street or calling a local taxi service, and payment was typically made in cash or card within the vehicle. Anal- Analysis using strategic concept to understand the impact of and strategic responses. Analyzing the impact of ride-hailing companies like Uber and Lyft using strategic concepts such as Foster five forces analysis can provide insight into the changes in the transportation industry and the strategic responses by various stakeholders. In essence, analyzing the impact using strategic concept highlights the significant changes brought about by ride-hailing companies in the transportation industry. It illustrates how stakeholders, including traditional taxi companies, consumer, drivers, and regulatory bodies, strategically responded to these changes to adapt and compete in the evolving landscape of urban mobility. Next is Renz Damvell will explain.
Next is case study number 2, market entry strategy. Introduction to a company's market entry or expansion scenario. Certainly, to provide an effective market entry strategy, it's crucial to consider factors such as target market analysis, competitive landscape, regulatory environment, and cultural nuances. Tailoring your approach based on these elements will enhance the likelihood of a successful market entry or expansion. Application of strategic concept, PESEL analysis, competitive advantage to evaluate the market entry strategy. Applying strategic concept like PESEL analysis allows for a comprehensive assessment of the external factors influencing your market entry. Understanding political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental aspects helps mitigate risk. Concurrently analyzing competitive advantages ensures differentiation, cost leadership, or focus enhancing your strategy effectiveness in a competitive landscape. Integrating this concept facilitates a holistic evaluation of your market entry strategy. Lesson learned and key takeaways from the analysis. Key takeaways from the analysis include recognizing the significance of a true understanding of external environment through tools like PESEL analysis. Lesson learned emphasize the importance of leveraging competitive advantage for sustained success. Flexibility and adapting to market dynamics and proactive approach to regulatory and cultural consideration are crucial for resilient market entry strategy. Next. Case study number 3, crisis management. Discussion on a crisis situation faced by a company, PR crisis, economic downturn. In a PR crisis, the company should prioritize transparent communication, take responsibility where necessary, and implement corrective action promptly to rebuild trust. During an economic downturn, strategic cost-cutting measures, diversification of revenue streams, and agile adaptation to market changes become crucial for financial resilience. Proactive crisis management, coupled with a focus on long-term sustainability, is essential for navigating and recovering from challenging situations. Next is utilization of strategic concept. Risk assessment scenario planning to address the crisis and navigate through challenges. During a crisis, strategic concepts like risk assessment and scenario planning play pivotal roles. Conducting a true risk assessment helps identify potential issues, allowing for proactive measures. Scenario planning enables the development of contingency plans for various crisis scenarios. Ensuring preparedness, integrating this strategy concept enhances a company's ability to navigate challenges, make informed decisions, and respond effectively to unforeseen circumstances, fostering resilience in crisis management. Next.
Key learnings. Summarize the importance of strategic analysis in real-world scenarios. Strategic analysis is crucial in real-world scenarios as it enables organizations to assess internal and external factors, identify opportunities and threats, and formulate effective strategies. It helps in making informed decisions, adapting to market changes, and achieving long-term goals, ultimately enhancing an organizational competitive and sustainability. Taking applying strategic concept. Enhance decision making by providing a structured framework for evaluating options. mitigating risks, and aligning actions with organizational goals. The adaptability and versatility of strategic tools allow businesses to tailor the approaches to diverse situations. Fostering resilience in dynamic environments, this flexibility enables the proactive responses to challenges and optimization, resources utilization, contributing to sustained success and strategic agility. Next. In recommendation and conclusion, key recommendation for organizational to effectively apply a strategic concept in real-world scenarios. Continuous analysis. Regularly assess internal and external factors to stay attuned to changes in the business environment. Second, alignment with goals. Ensure that strategic decisions align with the organization's long-term objective and missions. Stakeholders engagement. Involve key stakeholders in strategic planning process to gather diverse perspective and foster buy-in. Flexibility. Embrace adaptability by designing strategies that can evolve in response to unforeseen challenges or opportunities. Risk management. Integrate risk analysis into strategic planning to anticipate to potential obstacles and develop contingency plans. Data-driven approach. Utilize data and analytics to inform decision-making, enhancing the precision and effectiveness of strategic initiatives. Communication. Clearly communicate the strategic vision throughout the organization to facilitate understanding and implementation at all levels. Talent development. Invest in developing the skills and capabilities of employees to support the execution of strategic plans. Technology integration. Leverage technology to streamline processes, enhance innovation, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Monitoring and evaluation. Establish mechanism for ongoing monitoring and evaluation of strategic initiatives to assess their impact and make necessary adjustments. Concluding remarks highlights importance of continuous analysis and strategic thinking in today's dynamic business environment. According in conclusion, the fast-paced and unpredictable nature of today's business environment underscores the critical importance of continuous analysis and strategic thinking. The ability to adapt, anticipate changes, and strategically plan for the future is not just advantageous but impressive for sustained success. Organizations that embrace these practices options themselves to navigate uncertainty effectively, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and stay resilient in the face of constant change. In essence, continuous analysis and strategic thinking are the linchpins that empower business to thrive in the dynamic landscape of modern commerce.